channel. Hi, how are you? My name is Jeannie and this is Unfiltered 50s. If you want to see what I got for premium and what I got for base, then just keep watching. We're getting into the video right now. Okay guys, let's go ahead and get started. If you don't know anything about Boxycharm, it is a subscription box service that you get once a month, and they do have 3 tiers, and their first tier is their base box, which is a $25 a month subscription service, and you get about, I think it's around 5 items in here for your $25 a month. And then they have their next level up service, which is their premium box. This is $35 a month, and I have just started receiving their premium box again. I was down to just the base box for a while because, quite honestly, base box has been killing it. Their next tier is sort of a tier, sort of not. Actually, what it is it is an upgrade that you can do to your base box. This happens once a quarter. It happens in December, March, June, and September. I believe I have the dates right, the months right. What it is it's a $25 upgrade to your base box. So it brings it to $49.99, right at $50. And that is a sort of a lifestyle box that does include lifestyle items. So it's kind of along the lines of FabFitFun in those months. So it's not exclusively just makeup and skincare. So that is the Boxy Luxe box. I did not get that one. I just get the base box and the premium box right now. But the option is there if you like that. Yeah, let's see what I got in my box. Let's see if you got some of the same things that I got. So for the base box, this is what my box is looking like, and let's get into it. It's just perfect. It is bubbles and glitz. So really excited about that. I think the card is really pretty. My variation is variation 49, I believe. So the very first thing that we have is we do have the sponge by Makeup Eraser. I have been wanting to try this out so bad. It is a product that is $18, and it says the first ever machine washable sponge, specially formulated by the original Makeup Eraser. It features the same unique wash tech technology to erase makeup out of your sponge simply by machine washing. So whenever you take it out, it does have a nice feeling sponge. It does have a flat edge for baking powder on one side and a nice little flat edge for your foundation here. Yeah, liking the sponge. So very nice. Then it comes with this 2-part container that you just put together like this. And I wanted this so bad. I'm going to try this. I'm going to put this in the washing machine and see how my sponges do. So yes, definitely wanted that. And if my sponges don't work out in it, I think this could be nice for certain underwear, actually, that, you know, maybe you want to put in it. So, you know, certain little lingerie pieces. I did choose the Glamnetic eyelashes, and I'm really excited to try these. I've never tried any magnetic eyelashes before, and I did get the type Baby Girl. These are a very nice little fluttery looking lash. I did not try these on tonight, but very excited. They come with the lash, and they come with the liquid magnetic eyeliner. So you just put on your eyeliner, you will attach your eyelash to that. So I will be using these in a future look, a future get ready with me, and let you know how I like. The Glamnetic Baby Girl lashes retail for $63. $63. Woo, that is expensive. It says, get ready to be spoiled. The baby girl is a wispy round lash that looks natural on the eye and feels super lightweight. It's made of high quality vegan synthetic fiber and comes with a pair of lash anchors that help strengthen and hold them in place. The Glamnetic Magnetic Eyeliner is the magic that holds your fave Glamnetic lashes in place all day. And it's highly pigmented and requires minimal waiting time and provides all day hold. Wow, $63. I got something that I wanted so bad, which was the Elemis Superfood Glow Priming Moisturizer, Kombucha Glow Moisturizer. Guys, I am wearing this today. I dug into this box and I grabbed some things out, and I am wearing this today. And I have to say it does provide for a very nice glow, and I'm loving it. So whenever you pull this out, you just open it up and squeeze it out. It doesn't have quite as much glow as, say, the Jeffree Star, what are these called? The Jeffree Star Liquid Frost, but it does have a glow to it. And I really am just loving this. So this is a win-win for me. I'm really liking it. And the Elemis is a $49 MSRP. I put some underneath my base makeup, and then I put some on top. So it works both ways. Really nice product. I received and used the Viseart Professional Makeup. This is the eye primer. Comes in a box that looks like this. And I was really excited to receive this. When you squeeze it out of the tube, it looks kind of like a cream, clear substance. When you rub it in, it doesn't have any type of a color to it, a tone to it, to where it's going to cover up any veining in your eyes. It's just very translucent, and it feels smooth and jelly-like, almost like a face primer. Almost like it's very silicone dimethicone based and very sticky. This is not the type of eye primer that I like. It doesn't seem to set down well, and I found that when I went in with my eyeshadow skipped on it. It didn't smooth across it. It wanted to skip. And therefore it made my eyeshadow look patchy. So this is definitely not a favorite of mine at all. Yeah, I'm pretty sad about that because I thought that it was going to be a big favorite. I was very excited to get it, and I even bought some on pop-up. So very sad about that. Then the last thing that I got was the Huda Beauty Amethyst Obsessions, and the palette is just absolutely beautiful. It looks like this, and I did do my eye look with this tonight. Looks like this. Very, very pretty palette. I really think that the look would have turned out much better had I used my tried, true, trusted Tone Activator Primer by Kaleidos instead of the Viseart. That's just my true thoughts. The Huda Beauty Amethyst Obsessions palette was $27. The Glamnetic Baby Girl Lashes were $63. The Elemis was $49. The Viseart Seamless Eye Primer was $24. And the Original Makeup Eraser Sponge was $18. And that brought my base box to a whopping value of $181. So yes, once again, the value was there. The value's always there for Boxycharm, especially whenever you consider some of the other boxes that are out there. Boxy does bring it. So let's move on and get into the premium box. So what is it looking like? Well, let's see. So my premium box is looking like this. And my variation is variation numero uno. So, I know, so weird, right? But yeah, it's number 1. And what did I get in it? Well, I got the, it's so big, Volumizing Mascara by Elizabeth Mott. I tried this, and I'm going to have to come back to it to let you know my thoughts. My first impression is it's going to have to do a lot more to make mine look big, because maybe it's one of those mascaras that just like sit out or need to sit out for a while, because this didn't make mine look big. So yeah, it's going to take a lot more than that to make mine look big. So yeah, didn't work for me. Then I got something, and I am wearing it on my cheeks, and I have to say, really like this palette. I like this palette a lot, and it is the Lucky Glow True Luscious Bronze and Highlight Palette. The packaging looks like this. It's really, really pretty. I like it. But what's even better is that it is so pretty inside. It's really stunning. And I think that this is a beautiful palette for a fair-skinned girl. So I'm so excited to get this one. I just think it's, like I said, stunning. I mean, it's a true champagne. I'm going into this one called Heaven Sent right here. It's really, really pretty. I'm just, oh, I was hoping that I got this one, because I think the other one that is the Iconic London is really looking to me like it would be better for a little bit deeper skin tone. So I was hoping that I got this one. And it is just really, really pretty. Ah, I mean, look at that glow. I hope it's showing up in camera. So pretty. And the contour shades, or the bronzing shades, Good Fortune and Serendipity, these are really nice. Really, really nice for my skin tone. The Elizabeth Mott was $20, and the this palette is $46 value. I got this, and I really like this. This is the Lifestyle Co. Cuticle Oil, and I'm always needing cuticle oil, but what I like about it, what is so neat, is there is a roller ball on top, so you can just easily put this on your cuticles. I love this. I really, really love this. And I so hope that my girlfriend Catherine McCarty gets this too, because she loves cuticle oil just as much as I do. So I hope Catherine gets this too, because it is such a neat little applicator. My cuticles stay tore up all the time. They just stay a hot mess. This is just so nice, just to put the cuticle oil right there on your fingers and just rub it in, and it just feels so good. I'm just like all about it. And there's just a hint of lavender. It smells so good. I just love that. I was so excited to get that in my box. And that was $22. Then I did get the Crown All Eyes on You 5-piece Luxe Brush Set. This is what these look like. I did not use any of these yet, but I think that these feel really good actually. And I'm thinking that these are going to be a good set of eye brushes. Yeah, you get just a blender brush. You're getting like a definer or packer brush, more of a detail brush, more of a fluffy blending, and more of a bigger packer shader brush. So I'm really kind of excited to have these. And this one seemed to do really, really good. I mean, it picked up product. So really excited about this one. And I did receive the Viseart. This is the Viseart VP-E01 Neutral Matte Palette. This is what the palette looks like. It's really pretty. I'm not going to swatch this because I have most of my Viseart collection in the form of the edit palettes that are customizable. This will most likely go as a giveaway. So yeah, I will just not swatch this. Although that palette does have a very high MSRP, $80, and that is not unlike Viseart. These type of palettes from Viseart are very expensive. And the final thing that I got that I'm very excited to have, this is what I wanted so bad. This is the Elemis Pro Collagen Eye Revive Mask. And this has an MSRP of $82. So very excited to get this. Like I said, this was the one that I wanted so bad. It is a small, little bitty, tiny jar because it is an eye mask. But boy, is this the one that I wanted. This is different. It's very yellow, thick and whipped. That I am a firm believer that anytime you use retinol, you need to pair it with collagen. And so this will definitely be used by me. And I was so wanting this because this Collagen Eye Revive Mask will be going right there on my little eyes right after my retinol eye treatment. Yes, I'm very, very stoked and happy to have this for my skincare regimen. So excited to try this out and see how this works. So I'll report back and let you know about that. But those are my Boxy base, my Boxy premium boxes. That's what I got in it. What did you get in yours? Anything similar? Anything different? Let me know. I'm so excited to hear from you. I did not get the Caliente palette. I was so hoping to pick up that, but it eluded me. So let me know down in the comments. Did you get the Caliente palette? Let me know. I'm so excited to hear who all picked that one up. Let me know down in the comments below, and I hope that you are having a great day and happy holidays. As we are heading into the week before Christmas, I can't wait to talk to you in the comments below. I hope you're having a good one wherever you are at whatever time that you're watching this video. And until my next video, smooches everybody. See you next time. Bye for now.